is the respiratory system of man. What is respiratory system? It is the series of organs that involved in breathing when exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. What is respiration? Respiration is the process in which inhalation of oxygen and liberation of carbon dioxide takes place. There is a part of the respiratory system, the nose, sinuses, mouth, pharynx or throat, larynx or voice box, trachea or windpipe, diaphragm, lungs, bronchi, bronchus, and the alveoli and capillaries. The respiratory system is divided into two main components: upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract composed of nose, nasal cavity, sinuses, pharynx, and larynx. These organs of upper respiratory tract are located outside the chest cavity. What is nose? Nose is the entrance of the air. What is the nasal cavity? Inside the nose there is a nasal cavity which has a sticky mucous membrane which lining the nasal cavity, which trap the dust particles. This is our sinuses. Sinuses is the air-filled spaces along with the nose which help to make the skull lighter. Next is the pharynx. Pharynx is both uses for food, and the air passes through the pharynx before reaching their appropriate destination. The pharynx also play a role in speech. Larynx is the essential to human speech. It is composed of 3 large cartilages and 3 small cartilages. The large cartilages named cricoid, thyroid, and epiglottis, whereas the small cartilages named arytenoid, coriculate, and the cuneiform, and the number of the essential muscles are present. The lower respiratory tract, all these organs of the lower respiratory tracts are located inside the chest cavity. These are trachea, bronchus, and the lungs, bronchioles, and the alveoli. Trachea is located just below the larynx. The trachea is the main airway to the lungs. The human has 2 lungs, the right lungs and the left lungs. They are a pair of spongy air-filled organs and are situated within the thoracic cavity of the chest. The right lung is bigger than the left lung, which share spaces in the chest with the heart. The lungs together weigh approximately about 1.3 kilograms. The lungs are surrounded by pulmonary pleura. Pleura is the because it has 2 pleura or 2 membrane, and single is called pleura. The pleura of 2 membranes, the outer parietal pleura lines the inner wall of the rib cage, and the inner visceral pleura directly lines the surface of the lungs. Between the pleura there is a space which is called pleural cavity, which contain a lubricating fluid which is called pleural fluid. A thin layer of the fluid acts as a lubricant along the lungs to slip smoothly as they expand or contract during the breathing. They are responsible for providing oxygen to the capillaries and exhaling the carbon dioxide. The right lung is divided into 3 lobes, and the left lung is divided into 2 lobes. The structure of the lungs included the bronchial tree, air tubes branching off from the bronchi into smaller and smaller air tubes, each one ending in a pulmonary alveolus. The bronchiole is the branches off into smaller tubes which is called bronchioli, which ends in the pulmonary alveolus. Alveoli, what is alveoli? Is a tiny sacs or the air sacs which is found in the end of each bronchioli. What is diaphragm? Diaphragm is a muscular partition which divides the thoracic cavity to the abdominal cavity, and it is the main respiratory muscles that contract and relax to allow air into the lungs. The respiration based on inhalation and exhalation which are called pulmonary ventilation, or this is called the breathing. The respiratory system aids in breathing, also called pulmonary ventilation. In pulmonary ventilation, air is inhaled through the nose or the nasal cavity or the oral cavity, the nose or the mouth. It moves through the pharynx and then larynx and trachea and then into the lungs. Then air is exhaled flowing back through the same pathway, means through the lungs, then trachea, then larynx and pharynx and from the nose. The air is exhaled flowing back through the same pathway, changes to the volume and air pressure in the lungs, trigger pulmonary ventilation. During the normal inhalation, the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscles contract and the rib cage elevate. As the volume of the lungs increases and air pressure drops and air rushes in. During the normal exhalation, the muscles relax and lungs become smaller and air pressure rises and the air is expelled. Now the second is the external respiration. Yani external respiration exchange gases between the lungs and the blood stream. Inside the lung, the oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide waste through the process which is called the external respiration. Means external respiration takes place inside the lungs. This respiratory process takes place through the hundreds and the millions of the alveoli. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses from the alveoli into the pulmonary capillaries. Capillaries are found on the alveoli which surrounding them. It binds the hemoglobin molecule and then in red blood cells and is pumped through the bloodstream. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide from the deoxygenated impure blood diffuses from the capillaries into the alveoli and is expelled through the exhalation. Now number 3 is the internal respiration. First is the breathing, second is the external respiration and third is the internal respiration. It takes place, or it is the exchange of the gases between the blood stream and the body tissue. The blood stream divides oxygen to cells and removes waste carbon dioxide through the internal respiration. Another key function of the respiratory system, in this respiratory process, the red blood cells carry oxygen absorbed from the lungs around the body through the vasculature. When oxygenated blood reaches the narrow capillaries, the red blood cells release the oxygen and it diffuses through the capillary and the capillary wall into the body tissues. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide diffuses from the tissues into the red blood cells and plasma, and the impure or the deoxygenated blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lung for release. Thank you.